this person.
Okay, stay away from them. Please don't get on 17. A lot of he's either drunk or on the phone.
Yeah.
Or lost. Those are the 3 reasons we're driving so stupid. Dude, he's drunk. This. Oh my god.
What should we call it in?
Yeah, give me the Jude.
Call it in. Called in.
Oh my god, in there.
Dude, call in. Dude, hurry.
Dude, I don't know what the license is.
Just call 911.
I don't even know what the car is.
Just dial 911. I'll tell you. Right.
911 emergency, we're reporting.
Possible DUI driver.
911.
Yeah, we're reporting a DUI
Negative
driver.
response.
Oh, yeah, sorry. You got it. Sorry, hello?
Yes, this is 911.
Oh, sorry, we're reporting a DUI driver.
Where's the driver?
Highway 9 approaching downtown Los Gatos. It's Paul G as in Gary.
R.
322.
And it's a
322, I got it.
gray BMW.
It's a gray BMW.
Okay.
They're now on,
And, have you came up to another cross street?
yeah, they're now on Santa Cruz Boulevard. Near the Walgreens. What's the next
Going
street?
north.
Going north towards Blossom Hill Road.
Okay. Your name, please?
David Mantelli.
David, your phone number 393-7408.
Yes.
Okay, we'll put it out to the officers. You guys just be safe.
All right, thanks.
You're welcome. Bye-bye.
How long you follow this idiot for?
Well, I gotta come around and turn around. I'll turn right here.